Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kasian Isel, jangka Woodland Institute of Nursing, haringkat ke jingat Pynlong bat St. Anthony's College Shillong. Kila pelong ia ke Lempung Bak belatip kum ke First National Conference ha St. Anthony's College. Ha ke bau Menteri Rang Bak ke Jelau Konrad Kesangma, ulalong Kongsan, bat u Richard B. Yuria, ubalong Principal ke North Liberty Higher Secondary School Jawai, ulalong usembut Kongsan. Katong jong ke Lempung kalong ban ai jing hikai ki samla, bakin laj nga ke jing sya riam, bat sya pengop hai ki jing blien mas neu ling bau drong, bat ki ja jing di paper ki bapentron nya ke met ke phat. Kani ke Lempung Bak kalong ru sibenta ban ai jing hikai ya ki samla pule, bakin long ki bayu ijngai, bat ki balak manwan rai ke jing keladur ha ke imlang salang.
And I think this is the correct time for us to really come together, whether it is the health sector, the politicians as was mentioned, the society in general, academicians, all of us I think need to come together to be able to find some kind of way forward to improve the current situation that we are facing and to see a change in what we are seeing right now. I keep telling all our friends, especially the young friends who I meet, that ultimately the future of our country and the future of even the global economy and also our own state obviously will really depend on how we channelize your energy. We are in a position where we can create the policies. We are in a position where we can create the infrastructure. We are in a position where we can maybe facilitate the different kind of ideas, programs or actions that will be taken. But ultimately the energy that is in you, the youth of our nation, is going to determine the future and the kind of outcome that our nation faces. And I think this is really what is the most challenging thing for a country like ours, the youngest nation in the world.